Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel, Clear Skin and Wellbeing. So today I thought it would just be a quick one actually. I just want to go through the vitamin C by Gal. So here it is. So I use this, here we go, every morning and I absolutely love it. I buy it from Victoria Health and it costs about £10, just under, and I think it's for about 30 ml, and it would last between 4 to 6 weeks depending on how much you put on. So, and yeah, so it's ferulic, it's with 23% ferulic acid. You can see after a while, although it's in a pump with a lid, I'll just take it off, you can see after a while it does, obviously oxidises, and you do get little bits of yellow on there, and you can see there where I've obviously had it on my hands, on my face and then touched, but that's fine. What it tends to do is it actually is a good antioxidant, and it also helps with skin pigmentation. I really cannot recommend it enough. I think it's definitely one of the 5 you need to put on your skin. The reason I put it on in the morning rather than the evening is because I do put on retinol in the evening, so I'd rather put it on in the morning, although probably most people would put it on in the evening. So I thought I'd just give you a quick demonstration. I'm not wearing any makeup at the moment, so just to show you how I would use it. So I've got, so probably a couple of pumps. There we go. And I'll just make sure I do the nose. There. And what I would do, I would wash my face first, then I would put on the vitamin C, and then I would leave on for about 5-10 minutes before I put on my serum, just so it can penetrate through and absorb. And as always, don't forget the neck. There we go. So that's me then done. Right. So anyway, I hope you found this useful, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today, although it was quite a short one. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, in the next one. Bye.